Hello, welcome to this video. I am Ganesh, a yoga teacher, a holistic wellness coach. In this video, I am going to teach how to practice Ujjayi Pranayam. Many people have doubts, confusion about practicing Ujjayi Pranayam, how to sit while practicing this pranayam, and how to breathe in, how to breathe out. I am going to bring clarity on all those aspects related to this breathing technique. So let's get on to the mat. So while practicing Ujjayi Pranayam, you can either sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Sukhasana is normal cross-legged pose. The best posture for this would be Vajrasana. If you can sit for a little longer period in Vajrasana, अगर थोड़े देर के लिए वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हैं इस प्राणायाम करते वक्त तो बेस्ट, बट अगर नहीं बैठ सकते तो ठीक है, नॉर्मल सुखासन में भी बैठ सकते हैं। और इस प्राणायाम में हम अपने हाथों को या तो कमर पे रखेंगे या बगल में रखेंगे, either on your waist or in the armpits, anywhere in between this area you can keep your hands. When you do this, when you keep your hands like this, your lungs will be stretched little bit, and that will help in increasing the benefits while practicing this pranayam. So it's very important to keep the hands also properly, okay? And when you are sitting normal sukhasana also you can do this. And for any reason, if you are not able to do this, it's okay to sit normally also like this, okay? It is not necessary to constrain yourself. You can practice pranayam and meditations comfortably in any posture. There is no problem, but the benefit increases when you sit in a particular posture prescribed by our scriptures, by experts, right? So today I will just demonstrate sitting in Vajrasana. Okay, sit comfortably like this in Vajrasana. Place your hands like this, either on your waist or in the armpits. And in this pranayam, very, very important to know, this is Ujjayi Pranayam, breath of victory it is called in English. It's important to know that we are pulling the breath and we are inhaling and exhaling, pulling the breath and throwing the breath out from the throat. Okay, गले से खींच रहे हैं और बाहर फेंक रहे हैं, तो आपको गले में महसूस होना चाहिए. You should feel the sensation in your throat. It is very similar breathing when we do snoring. When we do snoring, we can feel that the breathing is happening, we can feel that gushing sound in the throat region. So it is very similar to that only, okay? And we will do this along with the counts. We will breathe in for 4 counts, we will hold for 4 counts, we will breathe out for 6 counts, we will hold for 2 counts, and again we will repeat this cycle. In 4, hold 4, out 6, hold 2. Like this we will continue. You can do 4 rounds like this, or you can do 6 rounds, you can do 8 rounds, as much as possible for you. The more you practice pranayam, the more benefit you will get. So I'll just demonstrate how to breathe in and how to breathe out. We will pull the breath from the throat with a gushing sound, and then we will go to practicing it along with the counts. So we will sit comfortably in Vajrasana, we will have the hands in position and then close the eyes and just hear the sound. श्वास अंदर, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 2. I hope that gave you an idea of how to breathe in and breathe out with a gushing sound from the throat. So this same thing you have to do with the count. 4 counts in, 4 counts hold, 6 counts out, and 2 counts hold. Like this you have to complete the cycle, and as I said, you can practice this 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, as far as possible for you. So Ujjayi Pranayam has a very calming effect on our brain, reduces the stress, and since we are doing deep breathing, it enhances the capacity of the lungs. Your lung capacity is increasing, you are absorbing lot of oxygen. So oxygenation is happening, and more oxygen to different parts of the body, to brain, improves the brain functions, improves the organ functions. So it has many benefits. And then since we are breathing in from the throat, it can cure all the throat related problems. It can help in managing problems like tonsillitis, problems related to thyroid, problems such as snoring. Many people have snoring problem. If you practice Ujjayi Pranayam regularly, it will avoid all those problems, and it will provide you lot of energy. I hope this video gave you all the knowledge and information related to Ujjayi breathing. I wish you all a great physical, mental health. Thank you for watching this video.